we were to collectively imagine for a moment that today was a day in the month of May in the year 2024, and if we were all assembled here within the chambers of this esteemed parliament at that time, and if this particular legislative bill had been formally introduced for our consideration, I am firmly convinced that there is not a single person currently sitting in this room who would have dared to stand up and voice even the slightest bit of opposition or disagreement against its swift and necessary implementation into law. During any given month of 2024 prior to July, be it in January, February, or March, if this specific bill, which is the 2009 National Human Rights Commission Ordinance, had been formally presented and laid before this House during that dark and oppressive fascist era, the reaction of those present would surely have been quite remarkably different than it is today. However, as we stand here today, we must acknowledge that the times have fundamentally changed, the very season has shifted, the occupancy of these seats has been altered, and our overall political
I am sure হাসনাত আব্দুল্লাহর এই বক্তব্যটি বাংলাদেশের অধিকাংশ এমপিরেই বুঝে নাই। ক্যান ইউ বিলিভ? সবগুলা অধিকাংশ এমপি একটি দলের ট্রান্সলেট করে এটা বুঝতে হবে। একজন হাসনাত আব্দুল্লাহ এত সহজে তৈরি হয় না। একজন হাসনাত আব্দুল্লাহ হয় মেধাবী, সাহসী